The 8th of August 2025 morning headlines. Nallathambi Kalaselvi becomes first woman Director General of CSIR. Vishwanathan Anand elected Deputy President of FIDE. Indian boxer Nikhat Zareen bags gold medal at CWG 2022. Eldhose Paul becomes first Indian to win triple jump gold medal at CWG. Board to implement 100% NEP in higher education from next academic year. Nallathambi Kalaselvi becomes first woman Director General of CSIR. Senior scientist Nallathambi Kalaselvi was on the 6th of August 2022 appointed as the first woman Director General of the Council of Scientific or Industrial Research CSIR. She succeeds Shekhar Mande, who superannuated in April 2022. Previously, she was the director of CSIR Central Electrochemical Research Institute in Tamil Nadu. CSIR as a consortium of 38 research institutes across the country. Vishwanathan Anand elected Deputy President of FIDE. Vishwanathan Anand, the five-time chess world champion, was on the 7th of August 2022 elected the Deputy President of FIDE International Chess Federation. While Arkady Dvorkovich, the incumbent president of FIDE, was re-elected for a second term. The elections to the World Chess Body were held during the FIDE Congress, which is being conducted in Chennai, alongside the 44th Chess Olympiad. Indian boxer Nikhat Zareen bags gold medal at CWG 2022. Indian boxer Nikhat Zareen on the 7th of August 2022 won the gold medal in women or S50 kg light flyweight event at the ongoing Commonwealth Games in Birmingham. Nikhat defeated Kali MC Naul in the finale by a 5-0 margin. It was the maiden gold medal for Nikhat at the Commonwealth Games. Nikhat had also won the gold medal in the 52 kg category at the Women or S World Championships in May 2022. Eldhose Paul becomes first Indian to win triple Indian to win. Eldhose won the gold medal with the best jump of 17.03 meters. It is also India or S first athletics gold medal at the Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games. Meanwhile, India or S Abdullah Abubakar also won silver with a 17.02 meters jump at the event. Board to implement 100% NEP in higher education from next academic year. The Goa government will implement 100% of the syllabus in higher education institutes along the lines of the National Education Policy from the next academic year. It was announced by the Goa CM Pramod Sawant in the 7th Niti Aayog Governing Council meeting held in New Delhi on the 7th of August 2022. Karnataka became the first state in the country to implement NEP in 2021. RBI imposes monetary penalty of 32 lakh rupees on Indian Bank. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) on the 5th of August 2022 imposed a fine of 32 lakh rupees on Indian Bank for breach of directions on classification or reporting of frauds. Additionally, RBI also imposed a penalty of 82 lakh rupees on Bengaluru-based Jupiter Capital for breach of norms on submission of credit information. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das. RBI founded the 1st of April 1935. Indian Bank CEO, Shantilal Jain. Kannan Sundaram conferred with the French Gods Chevalier Award. Kannan Sundaram, publisher of Kalachuvadu, has been conferred with the Knight of the Order of the Merit Chevalier Award by the French government. He has been awarded for his contribution to the publishing collaboration between India and France. Kalachuvadu is a Tamil Nadu-based publishing house. The Chevalier Award is a French Order of Merit awarded by the President of the French Republic. PM Modi chairs 7th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the 7th meeting of the Niti Aayog Governing Council held in New Delhi on the 7th of August 2022. The meeting discussed three key agendas: 1. Crop diversification, 2. Implementation of the National Education Policy, or 3. Urban governance. Niti Aayog Council includes all CMS, Lieutenant Governors of UTS and several Union Ministers. Niti Aayog CEO, Parameshwaran Iyer. ITUS Regional Standardization Forum for Asia to begin from August 9. International Telecommunication Union's ITU Regional Standardization Forum for Asia and Oceania region will begin in New Delhi from the 9th of August 2022. Communications Ministry will host the forum on the theme of all regulatory and policy aspects of telecommunications or lakh rupees crore NPS since FY15. The public sector banks PSBs have recovered 6.42 lakh rupees crore of non-performing loans and written off loans since FY15 and filed suits against 98.5% of willful defaulters. The gross NPA ratio of PSBs has fallen from 14.6% on March 31, 2018 to 7.4% on March 31, 2022, while the net NPA ratio declined from 8% to 2% over this period. Stressed assets are down from 15.3% to 8.7%. ISRO says satellites launched by SSLV no longer usable. ISRO said the satellites on board its maiden Small Satellite Launch Vehicle or LCO are no longer usable or RDQO after the SSLV-D1 placed them in an elliptical orbit instead of a circular one. SSLV-D1 placed the satellites into a 356 by 76 km elliptical orbit instead of the 356 km circular orbit. SSLV was carrying Earth observation satellite Shunya though in a co-passenger satellite Azadisat. Beginning of Individual Satyagraha. Individual Satyagraha was started by Gandhiji on the 17th of October 1940 at or Pavnara Shamor. It arose directly as a result of August Offer 1940, which was rejected by both Congress and the Muslim League. Vinoba Bhave became the first Satyagrahi or Jawaharlal Nehru became the second Satyagrahi. Or Delhi Chalo or slogan given during this Satyagraha, that or as why it is also known as or Delhi Chalo Andolan or. Aims of Individual Satyagraha: to show that nationalist patience was not due to weakness. To give another chance to the government to accept Congress or demands peacefully. The demand of the Satyagraha would be the freedom of speech against the war through an anti-war declaration. Also, to disprove the British claim of India supported the war effort wholeheartedly. Gandhiji's Individual Satyagraha. Gandhiji started his first Satyagraha in Champaran, Bihar in 1917. This was for the welfare of farmers belonging to indigo farming. On the 15th of March 1918 Gandhiji started a hunger strike or a Satyagraha in favor of Ahmedabad mill labour. On the 22nd of March 1918 Gandhiji started Kheda Andolan or in Gujarat. Conclusion. Before Gandhiji called a halt to the individual civil disobedience campaign for the Christmas holiday, several ex-ministers, members of the All India Committee and around 400 members had been arrested. Maulana Azad and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were prominent among them. The enthusiasm of the volunteers offering themselves up for arrest was inscrutable.